Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need
I'm gay.
Let's do all the shockers.
No, Bobby, I'm serious.
You're just confused. I mean, you're 15. You don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Another one bites the dust. Oh, why can I not conquer love? And I'm
on
not
the
thought that
Everest.
we were
You
one.
might remember me.
Wanted to fight
As
this
the
war
girl
without
who was
weapons,
abandoned
but
by my
I've
dad.
got
The
thick
falling on her
skin
dance
and
floor, she
an
never keeps
elastic
it. It was
heart.
me making sure everybody
But
was
you're
comfortable.
playing my
And me
beach
saying nice things about you. And me showing up for you on your big day when you didn't show up for me on mine.
I miss snapping, I move fast. You won't see me fall apart. 'Cause I've got
It feels like this huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders. Like, the hardest part is over.
Lena just came out to me.
When I think about love, I see myself loving a woman.
Clipped wings, I was a broken thing. Had a voice, but I could not sing you.
You know what I mean? They write it and they're like,
Somebody to give you a hug and say, I got you.
Oh, yes, there's a scream inside that we all try to hide. Oh, we hold on so tight.
And that's a
that
man.
I don't wanna die, no. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die, yeah. And I don't care if I sing off key. I find myself in my melodies. I sing for love, I sing for me. I shout it out like a bird set free. No, I don't care if I sing off key. I find myself in my melodies.
why am I talking to you about this anyway? Your idea of stress is when your chest waxer goes out of town.
Roberto is the only one who doesn't make it sting.
What could have your problems? Too much money, too much free time, too many parents.
I know you're upset, but you don't have to take it out on me.
Please.
Hey, I've been around enough to know when people are not okay, and you don't seem okay. I get where you're coming
You
from.
have no idea where I'm coming from. You've had everything in your life handed to you. You had to get hooked on drugs just to be interesting.
I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. From
There you
the
go.
chandelier.
Fake deodorant? How did you know? You're like one of those dogs at the airport.
I have a lot of experience hiding drugs. They used to call me the mole because of the mole on my butt cheek. Next to where I hid my drugs.
Gonna fly like a bird.
Schneider? Are you drunk?
What? No.
I thought you quit a long time ago.
Gonna swing.
Yeah. Well, I recently quitting. It's not a big deal. It's not gonna happen again.